Hello friends, my name is Adhir and today I'm going to tell you how to make this Pokemon pokedex. You must have saw so many videos like this, but they add something like a glue gun or some type of glue. Some type of glue for sticking this, but I am going to today teach you how to make this pokedex without glue. This is no glue and no glue gun, so that's why let's start the video. So first we'll be needing one paper like this. Then you have to take this side, you have to fold this side till this side, right. After that, when you make this line over here, there will be one line visible here, so you have to now cut this page by the scissor, or if you know, by cutting it by hand. See, you have to cut. Can you see this line? You have to cut this line like this. Okay. So as you can see, I have divided them now in the two parts. So it was first like this, now I have divided into two parts. So now the next part, you have to take one of the pages, fold it this side till this side. Okay, so when you do this, then you have to fold this, then like we did like this, then you have to make it like this and take this side till this side. Okay, so now we have folded like this, it is equal to this much size. So this is the part of the flapping, like when you close it and open it. So now you have to take this and do the same thing what you did by this page. And remember, you only need one thing, and that is double-sided tape. You just need some double-sided tape, not glue gun and a type of tape. So that's why you just need a double-sided tape. So first you have to do like this and like this. So as you can see, I have did it like this. Okay, so now we'll be needing the double-sided tape. Okay, now before that, let's do one thing. See, like these both you have done now. So just take one of them, open it, don't open it fully, just open this part, and I'm just marking with it by a pencil. Wait a minute, I'll show you. Okay, so you have to make one side like this. There is one side. So now you have to take a scissor and whatever I have drawn here, you have to cut this. Okay, so let me cut it. Okay, so I have now cutted it. So now you can fold these two parts again like this. So now it looks like this now. So now this is the part of the double-sided tape, but I'll show you when we'll add double-sided tape how will it look. We'll put this here and then we'll fold it. It'll be like this for a minute. Okay, and we'll have to stick this also. It'll become like this. And then this will be a foldable part. Then when we fold it, it will be like this. So then we can draw it. Then we'll have to draw it and then we can just color it. So that's why let's bring the double-sided tape. Okay, so now I have got the double-sided tape, and this is the part I'll put this here. It should be like this. So now let's first take the double-sided tape. I just together with. So now when you do the double-sided tape, take this side in which you didn't cut it, fold it like this, fold it and put it in the one of the side of it. Like I kept it. Now this is the cutted part. Put this like this. Where the double-sided tape is, put it over there. Let's stick that in the wrong place. So this is like this. Now we have did this. Now this part, now we have to just, the last part is to stick these both. We'll have to stick these both now. So let's take one double-sided tape. This is the last time we are using the tape, and then we'll take this over out, and then we'll have to put it in this part, in the cutted part. And now let's stick it here. So now as you can see, I sticked it. So it became like this pokedex. It became like this pokedex, like open. Okay, so now it's time to draw it. So for drawing it, you can either just I'm going to get some sketch pens. So that's why I've got the sketch pens. And I'm going to say something that I'm not going to color these parts, that because it will take too much time, so I'll just say the main part of it, main parts. You can even make it as a notebook if you don't want it. Like this is a pokedex, so you can even open this side and it will become a notebook. So you can write whatever Pokemon you found. But that will, I'm not making it like that, I'm just changing it type of that, because I don't want like a notebook type. So that's why I'm just not making a notebook type. So it was like this now. So just I'm putting here, sticking. So this is now done. Now let's draw. First of all, we'll just take a pencil for starting, so that if we do any mistakes, so we can erase it. So first of all, we are going to make this. This is the place where whenever a new Pokemon comes, and if you don't know about it, then this light will come. It will start blinking. So that's why we'll draw it up here. And it is like this. Then you have to make 3 more buttons here. You can do it any color. these 3 buttons. But if this, don't just color this. If you want to if you have some type of glitter, then just put it here so that it looks like it is like that. It is blinking. So then we have to draw here a screen that is here. Now let me draw the screen. So it's like this. You have to draw 2 buttons here also and 2 buttons here. 1 button here and 1 here. So now these things also. So we'll draw this and this. It's like this. You have to color this in yellow, and whatever color you want to put here, just don't color this black screen. And you can color these both also whatever you want, but this should be yellow. Okay, so now next part we have to do this side, and this we have to first draw this upper part. This should be black and this should be blue, and you have to put lines like this. So now it's like this. Now you have to draw this part. This should be yellow, so whatever color you want about this you can do this. But this should be blue and this should be black, and this both should also be black. Okay, so now I did like this. Not done. Now you can just color it. So this is a pokedex. You can now write here like this, but there should be an arrow here and it should be yellow. And back, whatever you want to do, you can do it. So like this. So friends, if you like this video, then please remember to like and subscribe and share this video to your friends. Till that time, thank you.